If you could fast forward your YouTube journey by 6 months, would you? Stick around, I'm going to show you how. How are we? And welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about everything YouTube for a beginner. So if you're just starting out and you want to make your journey quicker and easier, I'm going to offer you a few tips today on how you can do that. I am probably 6 to 12 months in front of you, no matter what time you're watching this video. If you just started YouTube and you're just starting a channel, or if you're thinking of starting a channel, this was me 7 or 8 months ago with this channel. My growth has been slow. However, I do have a soccer related channel where my profession is football, soccer coaching. I'll leave the links in the description below if you're into football. And the growth on that channel has been pretty good, and I've learned quite a few things along the way. So those things I've learned, I'm hoping to implement in this channel and grow the same way or in a similar way. I want the growth on this channel to be quicker than the one on the football channel, because I believe now I'm set with the tools to be able to make this channel grow. In fact, I'm set with the tools to be able to make both channels grow. However, this channel helps me become a better content creator, editor, and filmmaker all round. And it also helps me understand YouTube a lot more than what the football one does. So right, let's get into some top tips. And you have to remember, I don't know what stage you're at with your YouTube channel, whether you're just thinking about starting or whether you're starting, but these are going to lead you down the path of, I've not even started yet and I'm thinking about it. So I've got 10 tips for you today. However, you can go into the description below and download my free starting a YouTube channel checklist. This will allow you to check off everything I've got on my list. I think it'll help you in your progression of getting from 0 to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So the first tip is be passionate about your topic. So the reason I created the football channel is because I'm passionate about football and I'm passionate about coaching football. I wanted to deliver my learning experiences on the coaching pathway to other coaches and players on YouTube. So I figured, why not create a channel? And with this channel, I've got a passion about YouTube. I've got a passion about creating films and creating content, and I really enjoy it. So that is my drive on creating both channels. It's hard work, by the way, even one channel. I'll come to that later on. So my second tip is build a small list of video ideas, content ideas that you want to create and that you could create. The way to find that is search the trending ideas on YouTube. Whatever's trending on YouTube, if it's in your niche, they're the videos you want to be creating. So the third one on my list is you have to ask yourself, what do you need to start a YouTube channel and what have you already got? So what you need is yourself and a camera and access to YouTube. If you've got all that, you can start a YouTube channel. There can't be many people in the world in 2021 who haven't got a camera attached to their phone. So everyone's got a camera. Don't worry about the mics, don't worry about the tripods, the lighting, etc. All of those things can come as you progress. There's always ways around things. Just use natural light, record near a window if you have to. And regarding the tripods, you must have something in your house or wherever you're going to record to prop up your phone or your camera. So if money's a little bit of an issue, there's no need to go out and purchase lights straight away or tripods, just get going. And obviously the best tripod you can have is your hand. If you want to record just like that, then go ahead and do so. You'll still be able to record and put a video out there, no problem. So the fourth tip I wish I'd known about 6 or 7 months ago. Have an upload schedule. Therefore, you also need to have a recording schedule, in my opinion. It's so much easier if you know that, okay, I'm going to go with how I record. At this moment in time through lockdown, Saturdays are pretty quiet here in the UK. They're not usually, but they are during lockdown. So I've started recording on a Saturday. Give me 1 second and I'll give you a bonus tip on that as well. Saturdays are good for me, so I record in the mornings, I start editing in the afternoons, bit of family time in the evening, finish off the edit on a Sunday and upload on a Sunday. Now here's the bonus. I don't just record one video anymore. I used to, and now batch record videos. So today is a Sunday and I'm recording because I didn't finish off yesterday. However, this video will go out in the week, probably Wednesday or Thursday, because I recorded yesterday a bunch of videos and I've already edited and put one out today. So therefore, I don't have to worry about recording again in the week. I can literally edit this Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, and upload it on Thursday, and that's 2 videos in 1 week, which is another tip. Get the content out there as quick as possible. Now I can't give you ideas and say you must upload 3 times a week, 5 times a week, every day, because I don't know, I've not been there. However, I do know that uploading once a week gets you where you need to be. If you can upload twice a week, the maths just tell you it's going to get you there twice as fast. And obviously we've got YouTube Shorts now. So what I've started doing is trying to upload 2 pieces of content, main content a week on a Sunday and a Thursday, and upload YouTube shorts randomly in the week because they take minutes, literally a few minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes to record something, depending on how much effort and quality you're putting into your YouTube shorts. If YouTube shorts isn't something you're familiar with, I did a video on this last week. It really helps, and YouTube shorts, in my opinion, is going to be massive. And also it helps get that video count up on your channel. So my next tip, just following on from the uploading schedule, is be consistent. Be consistent with your uploads, because no matter how many people are watching your channel right from the start, if they know you're uploading on a Monday or a Sunday, there's every chance that 1 or 2 people might start waiting for your content to come out and be waiting for your schedule. If you're randomly uploading, which I have done quite a lot of, and I think it's affected the growth of my channels, people aren't aware and they don't always turn on the bell, so they don't know when you're bringing out your content. So stick to an uploading schedule, and it's good practice to get into for when your channel is established, because you'll already have been doing it for months or years, or however long it's going to take you to get to where you want to be. So my next tip is, if you are at the stage where you've not even filmed a video yet, or not even created a proper channel to the point where you can go into YouTube Studio and have a play about and upload content, then just get a video out there. Just get your phone and record a video, just introducing yourself. Just say, hi, I'm Mark Russell and I'm starting a YouTube channel and this is my first video. Bang, boom, you've done your first one. Get it out there, get your content out there, start that channel, and you'll feel relieved that you've started and you've put a video out there. Doesn't have to be on anything in particular. Don't overthink it, because I'm telling you now, in a few months' time or a few years' time, even you won't watch that video back, never mind the rest of the world. So my next tip is a channel name. I've got 2 opinions on this. Firstly, I think it's good to have your own name as a channel name, because if you do establish yourself for where you are doing this full time, your name is your brand, and that's got to be super important. However, I have had experience with websites, and probably with my football channel, where if you can put your niche into the title, it's got to be better for the search engines, because your niche is literally there. So if people are searching for cakes and you're called Derbyshire Cakes, which is what my wife's business is called, and people put in Derbyshire Cakes because we're from Derbyshire and she makes cakes. So if people put in cakes in Derbyshire into a website, cakes in Derby, they're going to find us really easy. That's how over the years we've got our business website to #1 page on Google, and have had success with that. So it does help, I think, to put your niche in your title. So why wouldn't that be the same for YouTube? Because effectively, YouTube is just a search engine. It's literally a search engine. People tend to forget this. People go onto YouTube and they will put in how to this, how to that. It's a search engine with videos, simple as. Right, I'm really conscious that I'm just talking and this video could go on for too long, and I don't want that because people will tend to switch off. However, I have got a couple more points that I want to share with you guys before you move on. So my next tip is, and it's not so much a tip, it's a bit of advice, you must realise how hard YouTube is. It's not easy to upload once, actually it's really easy to upload once or twice a week. It's the recording and the editing, that's the difficult part. It takes up so much time, especially if you're really pushing yourself. I've recently become a member of a couple of Facebook groups for YouTube and small YouTubers. I also have my own Facebook group for YouTube Shorts. Again, description's in the link below. So these particular Facebook groups push you because they have daily engagement threads. Therefore, people are showcasing their YouTube channels and you want to keep up. You want to keep creating so you can put new content on there for people to watch. And it becomes really hard work to keep up. Hence why I think batch recording on one day has got to be beneficial for you and for me as well. Right, I think I'm going to leave it there because I'm a bit concerned of how long this could go on for and how long I'm just sitting here chatting to you. So go and download the free checklist. It covers all sorts about educating yourself in search, keywords, tags, promoting your channel on socials, don't spam, working out who your audience is, banner design, description, etc. All of that, it gives you an opportunity to check all those off once you've done them. I would encourage you to go and download it. It's free and it helps. Right, I've got 3 more points to give you before I go, but this gives me the opportunity to talk to you about subscribing to my channel. If you think I've done enough to convince you to subscribe, please do so. If not, just smash the like button for me. And really helps YouTube recognize that people want to watch my content. So subscribe if you want, like if you will. I'd really appreciate that. And feel free to leave me any comments you want, any questions. If I can answer them, when I'm learning, you'll learn. If I can answer anything of yours, I will do. If I can't, I'm sure I can pass it on to someone who can. So now I've got 3 more points just to finish off. And the first one is a bit of advice. Don't worry about professionalism, just create and upload. The second 2 are questions. Questions you need to ask yourself. Would you watch your content? And how can you be different from the other person? Guys, I'll see you next time.